I really wish there was Z Gallerie here in England, but unfortunately there isn't. So I have to do all the items that I like as DIY, and this is the first one. My Christmas colors are black and pink, so this is the black one, and Z Gallerie version is gold and silver. To make it look high-end, I'm using a lot of beads and sequins as well as glitter that I bought from various stores including eBay, and I'm using clear glue as I didn't have any Mod Podge on top before I start sprinkling from heaviest to lightest. For the medium size as well as the large size, I had to do section by section as the glue would have dried otherwise. Once they dried, I took it outside and gave a really good spray with the hairspray so the glitter wouldn't come out, and I love the end result. What do you think? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. This video is part of a collab that I do with my friends, and the hosts are lovely Jenny and Diane over at the Decor Easy and lovely Kiki over at the Kiki's DIY. I'm one of the 4 co-hosts that participated in this challenge, and I cannot wait to go and watch the other participants. Thank you so much, ladies. I really enjoyed participating. I gathered all color coordinating baubles as well as other bits and pieces to create beautiful high-end looking baubles. And these items are all from various stores and they were in my stash already. My first Z Gallerie inspired bauble is this one, and I'm going to create my own version with a bauble that I bought from the range store. Glitter and sequins are from the range store as well as AliExpress. My bauble is made out of glass, looks high-end anyway, but I definitely took it to the next level with Z Gallerie inspiration. I applied generous amount of Mod Podge, started with the heaviest item which was beads, and then chunkiest glitter and sequins, and then dust glitter last. This is my version versus Z Gallerie version. What do you think? Second bauble is this one from Z Gallerie. Obviously I have to do it in my own colors. I put little dots in the center, and then I use acrylic pen, the same silver pen that I use for the dots, to do the zigzag edges before applying glue. I applied generous amount of Mod Podge and I worked in sections. I used small brush, carefully went around the lines that I drew and then start adding heaviest items like beads first. All done, but I have to wait before I dust off the excess glitter. This is another high-end bauble from Z Gallerie and I'm doing my own version using the same bauble, and I bought these gorgeous baubles in sale last year from House of Phrases. I will wait until I brush off all the excess glitter the next day, and here is the Z Gallerie version. The next day I dusted off all with a soft brush to reveal beautiful high-end Z Gallerie inspired baubles. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it inspirational for your own DIYs. I'm done, but you're not done yet. Please go to my description box, click on the playlist and watch all the other participants as well. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.